Convert Unix time to readable date in pandas data frame. I have a data frame with Unix times and prices in it. I want to convert the index column so that it shows in human readable dates. So for instance I have date as 1,349,633,705 in the index column, but I want it to show as October 7th 2012, or at least October 7th 2012 18 column 15. For some context, here is the code I'm working with and what I've tried already. As you can see I'm using df.date equals df.date.apply lambda d column datetime.struct time d %y%m%d here, which doesn't work since I'm working with integers, not strings. I think I need to use datetime.date.from timestamp, but I'm not quite sure how to apply this to the whole of df.date. Thanks.
These appear to be seconds since epoch.
If you try using and receive an error, pandas.slib.out-of-bounds datetime cannot convert input with units. This means the date underscore field is not specified in seconds. In my case, it was milliseconds, epoch time. The conversion worked using below.
Assuming we imported pandas as PD and DF is our data frame. Works for me.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.